Hi, this is Mike with BRG, here to show you the connections and operation of the RF receiver and amp power controller. First, connect the relay to 110 volt AC power. Plug the power cord from the Carillon amp to any one of the two receptacles on the back of the relay. Connect the relay to the Carillon PC using the USB cable input. Next is the operation. The computer powers the amp power controller via USB cable. A solid red light indicates that the RF remote receiver and amp power controller is receiving power. The green LED above indicates that the Carillon PC has activated the relay that powers the power amplifier. The green light will be interrupted when any button on the remote control is pressed. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can contact us at 1-800-295-0220, or you can visit us on the web at brgprecision.com. Thank you.